guys, this is all we need. We only need 2 ingredients to just show you guys that you don't need any machine. You can make ice cream without machine. And actually I really want to use evaporated milk. I couldn't find one and I don't want to drive because I'm off today. You can use this or you can use your spatula, any one of that. We don't need any machine here. And I really want to use evaporated milk, but I can't, I am tired. So I'm going to use Irish fresh milk, double one. You can use ordinary milk as well. I'm going to be putting all the ingredients you need to know. Okay, you can including your sugar. You can add sugar at this moment. If you want to turn it to chocolate, you can do that at this point. Okay, so we need condensed milk. You can get any brand you want. Okay, so the whole container of condensed milk, and I really want to use evaporated milk. My evaporated is gone, it's finished, and I'm lazy. I'm not really lazy, I'm off today. I want to use what I have in this kitchen to make the ice pop for tomorrow, and this one is going to be overnight. All right, so is it that you use your spatula, you mix it very well thoroughly. You don't need sugar. If you want, you can add sugar. So I've noticed lately when I add sugar to any of my ice cream, it's too sweet, and sometimes the kids have a tummy ache. So the sweet on this condensed milk is okay. It's really actually okay, guys. So just mix it together. If you can't have spatula, definitely you will have one of these as a parent. We always have this at home. So mix them thoroughly. Ice cream pop before you can make your lollipop. I'm going to show you another alternative, guys. Okay, you don't actually, my daughters just came back from school. But there's always other alternative, guys. So this is my cake tray. Get any sleeve, cooking sleeve, just get it. That use any milk, and you can, I swear, put the evaporated milk in the freezer and blend it to make ice cream. But like I say, I just don't get it. I don't get it. So this is what I've been used to back home. This is how we do it back in Nigeria. Anyway. So guys, I'm going to, you leave these 24 hours for the best result for the children or for yourself to enjoy it. So I'm going to be right back tomorrow morning. Please God give us a long life, guys. By God's grace, I will see you tomorrow. It's going to go straight to the freezer, guys. Keep it in the freezer for 24 hours on the following day, and I'll show you on the following day. So I'm going to keep this in the freezer for better quality iced lollipop. Yummy. So I'll see you tomorrow, please God Almighty. Morning, guys. It's morning here in Ireland. So this ice cream is 24 hours. So this is the following days. So this is how it looks. You can also shape it to your own heart desire. You can shape it to your like. So before I get that mold for ice cream, this is how I used to do my ice We have to take it back to the freezer for just 10 minutes. So guys, this is the ice cream mold, so you can go ahead and make your own, but the only difference you have to dissolve this. As you can see, just came out from the freezer, so I have to dissolve it. So this one is very easy. You can just remove it and give the kit on yourself, and you can use any topping, or you can use like peanuts. You can blend it with a food processor, or you can just wank it with something. So this is peanuts, and I've blended it to my own taste, and later I'm going to leave this for another 5 to 10 minutes to dissolve. So guys, my lollipop is ready after 10 minutes. Guys, you can make any shape you want. It's just for the children and for me as well, if I wish. So this is how it looks. So you can make your own lollipop. You can make the chocolate one. I have a series of video how you can make your chocolate. Okay, I've just made this, so you can just something simple like this, guys, and the kids, they'll be happy. Just tiny small thing make children happy, isn't it, guys? So that's it. And the peanut one, some people like peanut ones. You can make it like that, and that's I would like the nut flavor now, guys. So it's just the ice cream you make at home for your own children. Not one, guys, and that is the, and as well you can make. So that's it, guys. Let me know what you think. Do you like this video? Give this video a thumbs up, just for dessert for the kids, or if you have visitors, you can make half chocolate, half peanut, or pure peanut. And this is how I make my lollipop. Don't forget to click the subscribe button so you can make any topping you want. As usual, Becky's show always deliver. So that one is a half tiny bits of chocolates and lots of peanuts, ordinary chocolate lollipop and ordinary peanut lollipop ice cream. Guys, share this video, subscribe to my channel, guys. So guys, don't forget to go to my new channel. It's called Becky_lifestyle. So I'm going to be doing a lot of bakery there, baking, cookery, ice cream. So I'm diverse cooking family to Becky_lifestyle. Okay guys, go there right now, guys, and subscribe. Keep subscribing, support me, guys. Stay blessed. Bye for now.